Beat-Up High Schoolers. Let's open it. A chunk of dust. The late 80s were crazy for bebop. 6 movies released in just 3 years, all were huge hits. It even became a social phenomenon. Amidst all this, it was released. The game was not a hit.
Mercury.
Oh, give more tea.
The coating is wearing thin. A type that hardens under ultraviolet light. Ultraviolet light. It's become sturdy, one spot not soldered. Old battery. Still much remaining. New battery. High risk of leakage due to seal degradation. Must be replaced even if there's remaining charge, to prevent terminal corrosion.
Perfect body.